Hello everyone, welcome to Build Your Logics. In this video, we will discuss how to find the unique elements in the given list. Unique elements means the element might appear twice in the list. Here you can see the 2 is appearing twice. But in the output, we need to show this 2 only once. That is mean by unique, right? So we will write the piece of code to find that. I am declaring a variable called unique. Okay. And I'm using a inbuilt function called set. What it will do is it will remove all the duplicate values. But we are typecasting the list into the set format, right? So it will give the output in a set format. But we don't want that in the set form. We need the result in the set format only, right? So again, I'm converting that set into list. Alright. So here you can find the output. This is how we can find the output. That simple, right? So you can see the output over here. The unique elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We removed all the duplicate values. Thank you. Thanks for watching.